Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and securing the area. Unplug the fridge and switch off the 120V breaker. This protects you and the electronics. Once done, remove the access panels and photograph wire connections, compressor label and tubing positions so you can reverse them. Make sure refrigerant is recovered by a certified technician or follow local rules. You cannot vent the system. While you wait, gather tools: wrench set, flaring tool, vacuum pump, manifold gauges, brazing torch and replacement compressor. You now remove the old compressor step by step. After the certified recovery, pull a vacuum to 0 torr. This removes moisture and non-condensables. Once stable, unbolt mounting, disconnect electrical leads and cut tubing close to the compressor. Label each line. Clean oil from tubing ends and replace the filter dryer. Contamination will ruin the new unit. When you braze fittings, purge with nitrogen to prevent oxidation. Lift the compressor straight out and compare oil amount and motor rotation specs to the new part, ensuring compatibility. You mount the new compressor and reattach lines, brazing each joint while purging with nitrogen to prevent soot and blockages. Make sure fittings cool before evacuation, then pull vacuum to the specified level for at least 30 minutes and check for rise. If pressure climbs, locate leaks. Charge refrigerant by weight per the nameplate and follow oil recommendations. Start the unit and monitor running amps, suction and discharge pressures, and listen for hums or knocks. If it trips or draws high amps, stop and check wiring, relay, and correct charge before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.